Small form factor infrastructure now supports multiple network interfaces on a single device. Here, I'm using an OnLogic device with 4 Ethernet ports. I can see both my gateway and camera connections, along with their current status, IP addresses, and cloud reachability. Each network interface is represented as a child resource of the machine, which means I can manage and configure it directly from the Azure portal. For example, I can open the camera interface and update it to use a static IP address without needing to access the device locally. This simplifies the management of multiple network interfaces and gives you greater flexibility to connect, configure, and monitor your edge environment. With our new Connect experience, we're introducing just-in-time access. Before I can connect to the device, I first need to activate my role through Microsoft Entra Privileged Identity Management. When PIM is initially configured, users are granted eligibility for an access role rather than having permanent access or using shared credentials. Here I can see that I'm eligible for the Provision Machine Administrator role on Machine 1, so I'll go ahead and activate it. I can customize how long I need access for, so I can install K3s and do some other troubleshooting. This ensures every session is requested, approved, time-bound, and logged. Great! My request has been approved. If I return to the Connect page, it refreshes to show my active role and provides the commands I can use to securely connect to the device. The first command generates a temporary certificate tied to my role. Then I will use the private key and the SSH command to connect to the machine. You can SSH with Azure CLI from anywhere using the ARC connection or from the device's local network using a direct connection. Now I'm in. I can run a few sudo commands to install K3s and verify that my node is up and running. Updates are now available directly through Azure Portal. On this page, I can see that there is an update available and I can click Install. Back on the OS page, I can view details and track the progress. During update, the new image is installed onto an inactive partition while the device continues running on the current operating system. When the device reboots, it switches to the updated image. And if something goes wrong and the new image doesn't boot successfully, the device automatically rolls back to the last known good version. This helps minimize downtime and reduces the risk of a failed update leaving a device offline. Now we can refresh and see that my device has been updated.